have the TV mount. This is perfect for outdoors. As you can see, what's really great about this is that it does have a nice sturdy base to it, so you can utilize this outside. It has the swivel option to be able to rotate this, so if you're on a patio, it can kind of be redirected as the sun moves around. A couple really great features about this is that there are a couple brackets down here that can be unscrewed to adjust the height of the base of this right here. So once you put your TV on, all of this will go away. I just wanted to point out a really couple of great things about this. It has this nice cloth magnetic back here that you can take off in order to access the back side of your TV. So if you need to plug in something, you have that capability. Also, I wanted to point out it has a couple organizers for your cords. So you can just simply push the cords through here so that they all stay nice and organized in the back here, so you're not having to worry about cords hanging down. Which leads me to the other great part right here is this nice opening right here that you can feed cords through, because on the back side of this mount there are openings for the cords to go all the way down here and plug into the wall. So you have an option to plug it in right here or plug it in right here. So, but it's very sturdy. It also comes with a really nice mounting capabilities on the top so that you avoid the tipping over aspect of it. It also comes with universal brackets. So these brackets will then go on the back side of your TV. It fits most TVs, 32 inches and larger. There's multiple holes so that whatever the back side of your TV looks like. And then once you have those on there, they simply just latch on to it like so. So once you have your TV here, this whole part is no longer being able to be seen. And you know, it's easy to take off the TV if you need to, but just know that your TV is nice and securely put on here. And I'll tell you about a couple other really great features with this too. A couple other really great things about this: it has a nice glass base with marble texture on the bottom here, so it's a really nice surface. It has really great high temperature digital printing technology, so it makes the texture more delicate looking and more wear resistant. There is that cable management on here, so it's all nicely built in. So it's got those clips like I had mentioned, and then it's got a ring drawing disc design here on the bottom, so it just is a nice fun pop of color, and it adds just an overall really nice embellishment. But overall, this is a really well made product, and I highly recommend it for any sort of outdoor use.